This is not exactly what I had planned on doing with my evening, but this is what's happening. Yes, well, welcome back, all of you lovely people. I'm a little bit bummed that I didn't get to follow through on my plans to camp, but that just means that next time I will have the chance to plan a little bit better. I guess you'll just have to make do with some mountain biking. Let's go back to the beginning. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It has been way too long since I've been able to ride my mountain bike. I am excited. Yes, let's get on the trails. Hey, check it out. Some more old farmland. Right there is what it used to look like right there. You see any resemblance? Neither do I. Damn, must have been a pretty decent sized house. Ah. Good night. Oh my God, there are so many bugs. I only really have time for, I think, one quick bike lap because I gotta get my kayak in the water and then paddle around for a bit looking for a place to camp. Gets dark in about 4 hours, so rather not be setting up all of my camp in the dark. So pound out a quick lap, throw my bike in the car, toss all my shit into my kayak, and then hop on the water. Don't forget to do your stretches. Oh, yes. Most important part of the body to stretch, the grundle. How am I bleeding already? Oh, now the fun part begins. Let's do this. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, it's fun! Oh my God, it's so much fun. Yes! That was awesome. Thank you. Blessed. And back up you go. Okie dokes. Time to head down to the boat launch and see if I can get my kayak in. See if I'm allowed to park overnight. Here we go. Fuck, that's pretty. This is one of the prettier places I've been to in Vermont, I think. Oh, something's crawling on me. Sweet! Got the boat in the water, got it all loaded up with all my gear. You can see there's... Oh, don't look at this part. Oh my God! Check it out, it's a little baby turtle! Look at this guy! He's tiny! Oh, under the kayak he goes. What a cute little guy. What a cute little turtle. That was pretty cool. The mission now is to find a campsite. There are a whole bunch of campsites along the shore of this reservoir that are free and available to use, first come, first served. But just need to find them because I don't have a map of where they are, so just gonna paddle along the shoreline until I see something that is either numbered or looks like a campsite, and post up there for the night. That's the plan. It's a little bit breezy, little bit windy. Oh my god. I feel like I'm on the ocean. I spy a little nook up here, a little inlet, a little cranny, a little cove that I'm hoping has a campsite in it because it looks like a sweet spot for camping. And if it does, that there is not anyone at the campsite already. Let's sneak it, check it out. I see smoke, which means there are people there. Bummer. Damn it. This is another site, but that little white sign right there says site closed. Well, guess I'll just keep paddling, looking for a place to spend the night. Oh, is this an open site I see? Looks like a sweet spot too. Let's check it out, let's check it out. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think I might be in luck. Oh, unless this is day use. Never mind, this is just a day use site. Gosh darn it. Well guys, I think I am running out of luck, unfortunately. I've passed about 7 or 8 campsites so far, and every single one of them has been occupied. So I'm just going to paddle a little bit further down the reservoir here, see if there's anywhere that looks promising. If not, then I will just have to turn around and head back to the car. So a little bit more paddling. Well, friends, I think that this was a failed mission, unfortunately. I paddled almost the entire perimeter of this reservoir, and every single campsite is occupied. And I do not feel morally comfortable setting up a hammock where they say to not camp. I have about an hour and a half until it gets dark. And I have minimal lighting for my kayak, so I don't want to be out on the reservoir after dark. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this gorgeous evening here, crack open a brewski or twoski, and just make the most of it. It is just gorgeous right now. Look at that color on the trees. It's beautiful. Gotta wash off all that bike grime. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Just washing all that grime off the legs. Oh, the water is fine. I was hoping to show you guys just the basics of like hanging a bear bag and setting up a hammock and sleeping in a hammock for those of you who don't know, but looks like that we'll have to wait for another video just because I won't be camping tonight, unfortunately. So, crispy boys, here we come. No, not in there. Oh my god. Do I need this much food? Oh, I see them. Can I get them with my feet? Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let me at them. Cheers. Oh, so good. Yes. Is this not just absolutely gorgeous? Man, it's pretty. becoming dusk. I don't know.